Hello everybody, today in front of me I have HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features of this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first feature that I would like to show you in this video is located at the biometrics and password category of settings. It is the fingerprint ID. So basically this option, once active, allows you to unlock your screen with your fingerprint. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of unlocking the screen, it is required that we have the backup unlock method as well. The list of available options that we can go for goes as follows: 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern, or password. I'll go with pattern myself. Enter the pattern that I would like to use and then redraw it, therefore confirming the pattern. Next, one press on done, I'll set it up so the fingerprint ID will be enabled for the unlock device procedure. And now we can start enrolling the fingerprint by placing our finger onto the scanner that is located, as you can see, directly at the side unlock button or side power key. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time laying it onto the sensor, so the entire surface of your fingerprint will be correctly and successfully scanned. Alrighty, as you can see, the fingerprint enrollment process has been successfully finished. Now let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, the screen of my smartphone unlocks without any issues or difficulties. Therefore, the fingerprint ID works just fine. The next feature is also the second biometrical way of unlocking your screen, which is the face recognition, which we'll go ahead and set it up as well. Simply place your face inside this square frame and get it scanned in accordance with the instructions. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so I have just successfully enrolled my face. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, the screen of my device gets unlocked without any issues at all once I align my face with a selfie camera. So moving on to the next feature or next option that I would like to review and show you in this video, that is located at the display and brightness category of settings. It is called the screen refresh rate. There are two values to choose from, 60 and 90 Hz respectively. The higher you go as per value, the silkier and smoother animations you'll get, as well as generally the visual experience will be improved significantly, or should I say, alongside this improvements, there is also the downside, which is the fact that your battery gets drained faster once you opt for the higher value of 90 Hz. Therefore, if you would like to preserve and conserve the power, the battery health, you can go for the standard value, or if the battery is sufficient, or if the battery health is none of your concern, you can go ahead and opt for the 90 Hz. There is also the third value, dynamic, which will automatically switch between 90 and 60 Hz in accordance with the current system and battery state. Moving on to the fourth tip that we would like to show you, which is located at the system and updates category. System navigation. Here we are able to switch between two types of system navigations. As you can see, currently it is set that I'm using the gestures navigation type, but you can also opt at the 3-key navigation. As you can see, these 3 digital buttons appeared at the bottom part of my display. You can also slightly set it up, change the navigation key combinations as well as the navigation keys key order. And also you can turn on this toggle, which will get you, or should I say provide you with this button that allows you to hide the digital buttons, just like so. As it comes for the navigations, or should I say gestures navigation type, there is also the settings. As you can see, the settings section Okay, I've accidentally enabled the tutorial, which I do not need to undergo, obviously. So I'll get back real quick. Now we can enter the settings. In here, we can turn on or turn off the toggle that is responsible for sliding across the bottom to switch apps, as well as the tryout gesture section, which basically stands for the gestures navigation tutorial, which I've accidentally turned on already, or should I say underwent. So let me quit it real quick. Alrighty, so moving on to the fifth and last feature for this video, that is located at the battery category of settings. So let's go ahead and enter it. In here you'll find the performance mod and power saving mod toggles. Once at the performance mode, the performance of your system is optimized to deliver maximum performance, obviously. Therefore, if you are playing games or plan on playing in games, or you feel like your system is not coping with the any tasks that you need to execute, you can go ahead and turn on the performance mode toggle. Or if you would like to conserve and preserve some of the battery by sacrificing the performance, you can turn on the power saving mode by, well, altering this toggle as well. Alrighty, so that would be it, not only for the last tip but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.